Breathtaking will be the response of all those who observe the Olympus Falls in all of its elegance and grandeur. This collection offers various types of water surfaces, including natural slate and marble stones, as well as mirror and featherstone. All slate stone edges are meticulously hand-chiseled to perfection. Each stone is hand-selected to ensure complementary colors and textures. The Rainforest Marble Collection is rich in color, intrigue, and bold in character. Our custom stone selection option allows you to go online and choose your stone with the color and texture to match your decor. Select a metal from our assortment of rustic copper, stainless steel, or blackened copper in either round or square corners to enhance the beauty of your water feature. The decorative metal hood and tray are hand fabricated by skilled artisans. Every cut and bend is finished to exactness. All metals, except for stainless steel, are powder coated to provide protection against discoloration and aging for years of enjoyment. Personalize your water feature with an engraving or company logo and observe how welcome customers feel in its presence. It can also have a calming effect on employees, infusing them with energy and creativity. Our unique water distribution system will not clog, thus preventing uneven water flow. And in the water reservoir, our welded plastic liner is double tested to ensure against leaking. Quality control through every phase of the creation of your water feature is paramount at Adagio. Every water feature is 100% made in the USA and backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Discover the beauty and tranquility from owning an Adagio water feature.